Space-saving adjustable table bases are essential for expanding your living and dining room areas. Take a look at the Adjustable Height Folding Table by Basic American. To fold the table, simply lift the lever up to engage the folding mechanism. By pulling on the Easy Grip knob, the tabletop is unlocked and can be quickly unfolded for use. The adjustable table base can adjust the height of the table from 27.5 to 33.25 inches by easily turning the handle. Adjustable height fits for various heights, allowing chair arms to fit underneath the top as needed. A robust steel design with a 4-leg base and self-leveling glides secures positioning even if resting on uneven floors. The adjustable table base is available with or without the patent-pending transport roller, which eases mobility when needed. By tipping the table slightly onto the 2-leg glides, the transport roller mechanism will extend and lock into either low or high clearance rolling positions, optimal for tile or carpet. Tipping the table slightly higher will retract the caster mechanism and allow the base to position on the self-leveling glides again. This table is available with a square or round, high-pressure laminate top with 2-inch radius corners on square top models. Designed to support a 125-pound, evenly distributed, and backed by a 25-year limited warranty, this table is the ideal long-lasting solution for your facility needs. Proudly made in the USA.